Hi, this is day 16 of the 28-day challenge, and this is going to be a very brief video. Surprise, surprise. Just want to thank everyone for participating, for making comments, for messaging me privately, saying how much it means to them. I'm just trying to share viewpoints and what I believe and that are personal to me. I know that things that I stand for, many others probably won't. I don't need to be politically correct. I don't need to be part of the majority. I need to stand and believe what I do and to be able to be vocal about that, even when it goes against the average norm. Being Gorean, that's normal. Even among Goreans, I have a tendency of pissing a lot of people off because I do take a stand in something that I believe strongly in, and I'm going to be vocal on it. So thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for contacting me or messaging me or phoning me or even dropping by the house to be able to let me know that you are watching what's happening. So again, a very short video, but thank you again. It does mean a lot to me, and hopefully I've got more to be able to share in the days to come. Some things you'll agree with, probably a lot of things you're not going to agree with, but it's important to be able to understand other diversities, other way of thinking, and even though you might not agree with it, is that you could accept that it works for them, but it might not work for you. So thanks a lot, and have a great long weekend.